Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to highlight every other row in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to determine why we need to do this. The only reason why we're doing this is to have an easier version to read our data. If ever we have this plain data right here, we might be confused on which row we're currently reading. But when it's highlighted every other row, we might be able to see easily which row a certain data belongs to. Now, all we have to do is the following. First, go ahead and select the data in our table. Next, go to the Home tab and to the Styles group and click on Conditional Formatting. Next, click on New Rule. A window should show up. This allows us to enter a formula that would satisfy a certain condition. Once a certain condition is satisfied, we can either fill those cells with a different color just to highlight them. Just click on the last item within the Select a Rule type. Next, all we have to do is type this formula. If we want to highlight numbers or rows that are in the even number, we type is even. Or if we want odd numbers to be highlighted, we can type is odd. Next is we type an open parenthesis and type row. Next, we should place an open and close parenthesis and another close parenthesis. Once we do so, we have now set the condition on where we should select the rows highlighted. Next, go to the Format. Here we can decide which color to fill our cells with. All we have to do is go to the Fill tab and select any color that we like. Since we're following the color or theme of blue, let's go ahead and choose light blue. This shade should be good. Once we click on Enter, this is a preview of what our cells would look like. And once we press OK, we should be able to highlight the cells. Now, it doesn't matter if we sort the numbers by ascending or descending. We should still be getting an alternate pattern, just like this one. And there we have it. This is how we highlight every other row in Microsoft Excel.